Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the map style on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile, and the search bar in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the map style on Zillow. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, log into Zillow app, so open the Zillow app on your mobile device. Then tap on the map icon to view the, of course, map. And when you, of course, go and view the map, after that, in the bottom right corner of the map, tap the globe symbol. After tapping the globe symbol, and then you just need to go and choose from default, satellite, or a 3D view. So the one that you of course want and of course like, and of course the one that you need. So out of all of those three. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.